I was trying to find an accurate representation of the colors before purchasing my new iPhone XS Max, but I couldn't find any good videos with good representation of the colors. So I figured that I would do an unboxing for you guys and show you guys a side-by-side comparison of the two different colors. Alright, so let's go ahead and start to unbox these brand new iPhone XS Maxes. This is the space gray model. Let's go ahead and open up the gold version as well. Put the plastic wrapping to the side. So now we have the gold version and the space gray. Let's go ahead and open this up. Here's your space gray version. We're going to put this so we can have a nice side-by-side comparison. Also comes with the earbuds, power cable, and the USB adapter. Now let's check out this gold version so you guys can see firsthand a side-by-side comparison. There you go. I don't know if you guys can see the color accurately enough. Let me go and turn them side by side. But I really wanted to get a video out there where you guys could truly see the colors. Alright, so in the case, you're gonna have your earbuds, you're gonna have the USB power charging cable, as well as this booklet or pamphlet from Apple, basically just giving you a little overview usually of the phone, and that's exactly what it is. So it's saying welcome to the iPhone, the control center, your Face ID, how to get to your home button without actually having the physical home button this time, and a bunch of other good information. So that's going to come in here along with some Apple logos and your SIM card popper, guys. This is what you're gonna use to switch out your SIM card from your old phone into your new phone. And I believe that is about it. So if you are not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that bell below. Also go ahead and like this video so I can bring some more videos to you guys. But here you go, these are two brand new iPhone XS Max side by side, so you guys can see the color. Now once again, one of them is gold and one of them is the space gray edition. Let's go ahead, take the plastic wrapping off this and set one of these up, and let's show you guys an actual working iPhone XS Max. Here you go. I know that we all get a little bit of satisfaction out of this. Yeah, that felt good. We've already set up the gold version of the iPhone XS Max. So let me go ahead and show you guys, you know, the home screen, and maybe we'll do a photo real quick. All right. Hey, that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and log into the phone and let's go ahead and take a portrait or a photo. All right. So since we're close to Halloween, or about a month away, this is going to be Halloween inspired. So we go into portrait mode and we can change it. Studio light, contour light, stage light, or even the black and white mode. So now that we've done our intimate photo shoot on the pumpkin, let me go ahead and show you guys again one more time the difference of the new gold iPhone XS Max versus the space gray edition. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have anything that you guys want to add, please put it down in the comments. Also give a big like to this video and make sure you're subscribed. For now, Digi out.